There's a screw holding down this drain cover. It's on this one just a straight screwdriver. I got it loose. Move that screw and set it far away, and that cover far away from that drain. I don't want to drop it down in there. That cover off, and using a drain clean out, or also called a snake. Just pull this out. Down the drain, pushing it in as far as I can. And there it kind of got hung up. So there's a set screw right here. Tighten that up. And then in this drain cleaner, got a handle and it spins, so it rotates. So putting some pressure on, spin that around. And usually snake will go by the curve. I've got too much of the snake out. I gotta shorten this up. Tighten up that thumb screw. Spin it. Probably a sharp elbow down there that just doesn't want to go past, or what can happen too is it can come back up over here. This is the overflow. So if the water gets up to here, it runs out and then down so the tub won't flood. Sometimes the snake go down and come back up that way. To move this is not comfortable. Well, let's see. We'll work on this. See if I can't get that past and down into that drain. Oh, and this thing has made me work every inch of the way. What I ended up doing is I can't have very much of the cable out at a time, only about that much. I have to tighten the thumb nut and then twist it, spin it, push it down, being careful that I don't hit anything with that thumb nut, the enamel or the drain. I want to keep that straight up and down. And it finally got to the point where it drained. I'm going to go past a little bit. I'm going to turn on the water here and see how this drains. Yeah, it's going not super fast. This isn't a really fast drain anyways, but I've run out quite a bit of the cable. I don't know how many feet, but it's down quite a ways. But so I'll pull that out, put the cover back on, and then grab that screw that's 4 feet away. I want to stay way away from that drain. Put that back on. Should be good for hopefully a long time. It really made me work. As I pulled out the snake, all this hair was all wrapped around different parts, but then here's the very end, and it did not want to come out very easy because it was this hair was holding it up. But oh, unbelievable. Well, I'm thinking that was the problem. That could be years and years of hair, and I have pretty short hair. Be sure and check out my other videos.